Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open notification panel shortcuts and now find the screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon just to launch the settings before you will start the screen recording. And now just to use some sound settings, the device audio, microphone, or audio device device audio and microphone together, you should tap on this switcher. After that you can switch to use the device audio or microphone or both these options together. If you will turn off this switcher, just by this way you'll mute your video recording, and then just start here to start the screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.